This podcast is sponsored by Verversity.com. Elevate your professional skills with courses designed by PhDs, powered by AI. Visit Verversity.com and start your learning journey today.
Understanding Climate Change. Through Earth Sciences, a guide to lifelong learning. Learn about climate change and earth sciences in a casual, informative chat. Discover how lifelong learning and online courses can deepen your understanding. Chatting about earth sciences and climate change. What's really going on? Hey, I was thinking about something lately that honestly touches all of us. Climate change. It's one of those topics you hear about all the time, but can feel a bit overwhelming or even confusing because there's so much information out there. So, let me try to break it down in a way that's more like a casual chat between friends. First off, when we talk about earth sciences, we're basically talking about the study of our planet, from its atmosphere and oceans to landforms and even the processes happening inside the Earth. Climate change is a huge focus within earth sciences because it's all about how the planet's climate system is changing over time. And the big question is, why is it happening and how fast? So here's the thing. Climate change isn't just about the planet warming up, although that's a big part of it. It's a whole system of changes. We're seeing shifts in weather patterns, rising sea levels, melting ice caps, and acidification of oceans, just to name a few. Scientists have gathered tons of data through satellite observations, oceanographic studies, and ice core samples that paint a pretty clear picture. Human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, have pumped a lot of heat-trapping gases into the atmosphere. What does that mean? Well, these gases, carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, nitrous oxide, among others, act like a blanket around the Earth, trapping heat that would otherwise escape into space. It's called the greenhouse effect, and it's natural and necessary for life. But now this blanket is getting way too thick. Temperature rise. Average global temperatures have increased by about 1.1 degrees Celsius since the late 19th century. That might sound small, but in climate terms, this increase has major impacts. Sea level increase. Warmer temperatures cause glaciers and ice sheets to melt, adding water to the oceans, which threatens coastal communities. Extreme weather. We're seeing more intense hurricanes, droughts, heat waves, and wildfires due to the shifting climate. Now, I know sometimes it can feel like the news is just doom and gloom, but here's the silver lining. Understanding these processes is the first step toward action. Experts in earth sciences are working hard to model future climate scenarios, advising policymakers, and helping communities adapt. Plus, there's an incredible range of solutions being explored from renewable energy to sustainable agriculture. If you're interested in learning more about how the Earth works and the science behind climate change, there are some amazing opportunities in adult education and continuing education that you might want to check out. For example, plenty of online courses and distance learning options provide flexible ways to deepen your knowledge. Perfect if you're juggling work or other responsibilities but want to keep growing through lifelong learning or professional development. One platform worth mentioning is Verversity, platform for PhD-level online courses. Their courses go beyond just the basics and offer insights at a very advanced academic level if you're really into mastering the details. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone curious, it's a great place to explore the science behind climate change and many other earth sciences topics. Learning about this stuff not only makes you better informed, but it's also empowering. When you understand the facts, it's easier to make sustainable choices, have meaningful conversations, and even inspire others. Plus, staying engaged with science can be really fun and mind-opening. After all, Earth sciences connect us all in this grand story of how our planet is changing and what we can do about it. If this sounds like something you want to explore more, consider checking out courses that fit your schedule and interests. With the rise of distance learning, education has become so accessible. It's never too late for lifelong learning. Explore courses now to get a better understanding of our changing planet and equip yourself with knowledge that can really make a difference.